So what are you doing tonight anyway?
I'm gonna eat lots of cake and candy bars.
We don't even have any cake with you. We have candy and candy apples, huh?
We're gonna eat some candy apples.
Did you make them?
Yeah. I dipped them in the candy and it burned me so bad. It was sticking on my hands and fingers. Yummy, huh? Yummy. Huh?
You're weird.
Sticking all over me. That kind of candy is going.
Don't put the whole thing shut.
Kinda.
You're getting wired just thinking about eating it.
I'm thinking about eating candy apples and candy bars. We have candy bars in the house for my party.
Are you the butterfly queen?
Yeah.